Welcome back guys, this is MPO video tutorial, and for today we are going to discuss one pass up bonus and paano ba nagwo-workout ang pass up bonus. Okay, so on this screen meron tayong nakikitang sponsor at ang inyong account. Okay, so makikita rin nyo rin ang inyong payline, connected yan sa inyong account, and also yung inyong payline sa baba ng inyong sponsor. Okay, so in this case, for example, meron kang dalawang referrals, si first direct and si second direct. Okay, so yung inyong ikalawang direct referral, yun yung tinatawag na auto spill. Okay, so it goes to your sponsor's payline as a system requirement. Okay, so lahat ng account, lahat ng second direct ng every account, ipinapasap yan sa sponsor. Okay, so magpapass up tayo ng second direct papunta sa payline ni sponsor. So ngayon, connected na yan sa kanyang payline. At kikita ang inyong sponsor ng 200 pesos as pass up bonus. Okay? So after you completed the system requirement. But don't worry, it will also happen to you kapag ka nag-pass up na ang inyong mga direct referrals. So later on, makikita natin. Take note, your second direct is not totally taken away from your main account. You can still put new direct referrals and let them multiply down to the deepest level. When you say pass up, it is just a mirror of your right leg. So, ibig sabihin, hindi naman totally nawala ang inyong direct referral sa inyong account. Okay? So, ipinas up lang natin ang ating second direct at kumonect lang yan sa inyong payline. But still, part pa rin yan ng inyong account. Okay? So, you can still put direct referrals sa inyong second direct para sa ating binary o sa ating matching bonus. Okay? Now, how pass up or how one pass up bonus works? See? Paano ba nagkakaroon ng bonus sa pass up? Okay? Let's say, for example, this is your account and this is your payline. Meron kang dalawang referrals, okay? At meron ka syempreng sponsor. Now, yung second direct referral mo, pinakita natin, ipinas up natin sa inyong sponsor. Kumita si sponsor ng 200 pesos as pass up bonus. Now, your second direct referral will go pass up to your upline as a system requirement. Now, nag-invite din ng dalawang referrals ang inyong left DR. Okay? Tatawagin natin itong indirect 1 at indirect 2 kasi hindi mo sila direct referrals. Direct referrals yan ng inyong left side. Okay? So, what if your left side invited two friends? Okay? So, yung kanyang second direct, ipapass up yan sa inyong payline. So, kung kanina, ikaw ang nag-pass up ng inyong second direct, ngayon, yung left side naman ang magpapass up sa inyong payline. At kikita ka dyan ng 200 pesos, kagaya ng sponsor mo kanina. Okay? So, this is completed as a system requirement. Okay? Ng inyong left DR. So, kumita ka ng 200 pesos as pass up bonus. Okay? So, this is your first pass up. What if nag-invite siya ng dalawang direct referrals? Okay? Nag-invite siya ng dalawang friends niya. Okay? At nag-cycle. Okay? So, sa second cycle na to, kikita ka ng 400 pesos. Pupunta yan sa inyong payline. So, ipinas up ang right DR ng inyong unang pass up sa inyong payline kasi requirement yan ng system. Okay? So ngayon, kumita ka dyan ng 200 pesos as pass up bonus. So what if yung inyong pangalawang pass up nag-invite din ng dalawang direct referrals or ng dalawang friends niya? Okay? So magsacycle ulit yan at kikita ka ulit ng 400 pesos as second cycle matrix. Okay? So, pupunta yung 400 sa inyong payline. At, again, ipapass up ulit yung kanyang right side ng inyong pangalawang pass up sa inyong payline. At dito, kikita ka ulit ng 200 pesos. Okay? What if nag-invite ulit ng dalawang direct referral or ng friends ang inyong pangatlong pass up? So, magsa-cycle yan. Kikita ka ulit ng 400 pesos as cycle matrix. Pupunta yan sa inyong payline. Okay? Now, you will earn and earn repeatedly from your first pass up to infinity. So, habang mayroong pinapass up, mag-i-invite yan ng dalawang friends niya, yung pangatlo o yung pangalawang DR niya, ipapass up ulit yan sa inyong payline and so on. So, repeatedly, kikita ka dyan, okay, ng 400 pesos sa second cycle matrix mo, plus yung 200 pesos sa inyong pass up, okay, and yung inyong magiging pass up bonus, which is 200 pesos. So, infinity yan. Wala yang katapusan. Okay? So, that's how one pass up bonus works.